हर बात पे नहीं बोला मत बोल.
जो कर बना के जाने का भी बनाना चाहती हूँ.
So first let me brief you. Hello cuties, welcome and welcome back to my channel. I hope आप सब खुश होंगे और स्वस्थ होंगे. This is going to be a very fun video. Actually this is not something जो पहली बार हो रहा है. I have seen many such kind of videos on internet. Actually हम ऐसे ही scroll कर रहे थे and I just found many videos ऐसा. So I thought why not to record something like this with my sibling, actually my sister to be precise. So yeah, I hope you like this video. Keep watching, keep sharing and ढेर सारा प्यार देना. So first, let me brief you about the video. Actually, this video will be having many segments, such as the twin telepathy segment. After that, this or that segment, and at last, general or silly question. और अंत में एक बहुत ही cliche but juicy question होने वाला है. So stay tuned till the end. And first segment is going to be sisters telepathy segment. So the first question is, what's one thing I hate doing?
Shopping.
True. What's my favorite thing to wear?
Shirt and denims.
Yeah. What's my favorite season of the year?
Winters.
Yeah, autumn/winters. I like both. Next, what's one thing I always say to you? Like piece of advice types.
Don't be rude in the name of being honest.
Yeah, it comes second. First,
सबसे ज़्यादा तो ये बोलती हो.
don't be overconfident.
Overconfident.
Yeah. Last question of this segment. What time do I usually sleep?
Between 1 to 2.
Yeah, 12:30 to 1:30 was my
1 to
answer.
2.
But yeah, 1 to 2. चलेगा. Now your turn.
Okay. If I were an animal, which one would I like to be?
Cats.
Pandas.
You will like to be pandas?
Who do I call first when something crazy happens? Crazy can be like extreme of negative, positive.
Nimisha, your best friend.
If I ever got a chance to live as a cartoon character for a day, an entire day, तो कौन सा cartoon character choose?
Dora?
नहीं. Second guess.
Something I know? Doraemon? Chota Bheem? This is what you grow up.
देखते नहीं.
Naughty. Next question.
What's one thing, according to you, that I might have never told anyone else but you? Like brief में तुम बता सकती हो. Something किस चीज़ से related.
I don't think ऐसा कुछ भी है इस दुनिया में जो सिर्फ मुझे पता है. I think अगर वो मुझे पता है तो मम्मी को या फिर निमिषा को तो पता ही होगा. At least निमिषा.
Close टक्कर है निमिषा में. Shout out निमिषा. If I could wear only one outfit for the rest of my life, तो क्या होगा?
ढीला टी-शर्ट एंड कच्चे shorts.
Yeah.
So yeah, this was the telepathy round. The next round is this or that round. So you will start this round first.
Food or sleep?
Sleep. Actually दोनों important है, but sleep.
Important नहीं. This or that.
Sleep,
What would
sleep.
I choose?
Sleep. You can
गुलाब-
lie भूखे
गुलाब-
12 घंटे.
गुलाब जामुन और कलाकंद.
कलाकंद.
गुलाब जामुन.
गुलाब जामुन I think you are very precise कि तुमको इस जगह का ऐसा गरम खाना है
कलाकंद
और ये
also,
वो. But
कलाकंद
कलाकंद you can choose कि हाँ अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट है तो खा सकते हैं.
But दो अच्छा रेस्टोरेंट अगर कोई अच्छा सा मिष्ठान भंडार टाइप है तो I'll choose गुलाब जामुन.
Okay. Next.
Giving advice or getting advice?
Getting advice.
In a room full of people, what would I choose? Being funny or being intelligent?
Being intelligent.
Salads or soups?
Salads.
Being invisible or reading minds?
Reading minds.
Being invisible.
These are the answers that I have to answer them according to her preference. Like she'll be liking salad or soup, ऐसा वाला, not my preferences.
Okay.
Now my turn. Swap phones for a day or swap rooms for a week?
Rooms for a week.
Share secrets or keep mystery?
Keep mystery.
Share secrets. Obviously, with you to share secrets only. No. Fight and make up or never fight at all?
Fight and make up.
Never fight at all. I don't want to fight with you. You are the fighter plane. Travel together or stay at home?
Travel together.
Getting matching tattoos or matching piercings?
Tattoos is more my thing. Piercings is more your thing. So yes, please.
No, but
It
I
is.
like
It is.
matching
It
tattoos
is.
more.
Shout out Panja.
इसकी भी एक story है. If you want to know, then comment. Next segment is the general or silly segments. First question. ठीक है? If you could switch lives with any movie character for a day, who would it be and why?
Me or you?
You. Now these questions are related to you only.
One movie का तारा इन ओके जानो.
Why also?
क्योंकि वो मेरा ऑल टाइम कंफर्ट फेवरेट रिलेटेबल हर कैटेगरी वाला मूवी है.
Okay.
And or obviously I cannot be Adi, so Tara.
Next question. What's something you believed as a kid that turned out to be totally wrong? जब तुम बड़ी हुई.
I did not believe, I was made to believe that elders are always the more intelligent ones.
Like, you believe, no, for a certain period of time when you were a kid.
Yeah.
ठीक है. Next question. If you could invent one rule that everyone had to follow for 24 hours, what would it be?
तो मतलब रूल इन व्हाट सेंस कि आसपास के लोग या पूरा देश फॉलो कर रहा है टाइप्स.
नहीं, तुम्हारे सराउंडिंग में देश थोड़ी चला रही हो तुम. People around you should follow it for 24 hours.
चीज़ें जहाँ होनी चाहिए वहाँ.
अच्छा. Next. What's one thing you have done that you have never told anyone but want to tell me now?
कुछ नहीं.
You don't want to share.
मतलब पता ही है ऐसा कुछ नहीं.
What's the dumbest thing we have ever argued about, according to you? Recently. हमारे याददाश्त में.
Recently मतलब recently.
हाँ, recently मतलब recently.
बाथरूम में वो शैम्पू वाला.
शैम्पू
मतलब शैम्पू के बाद
अच्छा. ठीक है, ये सारी बातें ना ही हो तो अच्छा है. Next, your turn.
One thing, if you given the choice that ना वेट बढ़ रहा है ना स्किन पे कुछ ना हेल्थ पे कुछ असर पड़ रहा है, बट वन थिंग जो गिल्ट फ्री यू वुड ईट एवरी डे वन टाइम फॉर योर इंटायर लाइफ, व्हाट वुड यू ईट?
Ice cream.
If your life were a movie, which genre and which movie would it
पटाखा गुड्डी.
be? Pataka would it
वो मूवी ना पटाखा गुड्डी वाला गाना. हाईवे.
be? Highway.
हाँ. अच्छा लगता है. I can relate to Alia.
One word your friends use the most to describe you.
Calm. Cool.
If you could swap your lives, we could swap our lives for a day, what's the first thing you would do? First change. तो तुम बताओ क्या करें, हम क्यों बताएं? तुम्हारा क्वेश्चन है.
अच्छा, what I will do as बिन्नी. एक दिन मेरा लाइफ एक बिन्नी हो गया तो बहुत खाना खाऊंगा मैं, बहुत एकदम मन से, एकदम, क्योंकि मैं खाऊंगा बस बहुत सारा खाना एकदम मन से खाऊंगा.
The fact that I can eat more meat than her.
It's not meat, only meat. It's the way you are eating it.
What's
The
more
indulgence.
important for you, Wi-Fi or chocolate?
Wi-Fi. Chocolate I have stopped eating. Like not stopped, but I have controlled.
What is the one thing that you value the most in a relationship in general? Not a particular kind of relationship, but a relationship with another human.
Transparency.
If you could describe our bond in one word, what would it be?
roller coaster. Many
Some-
highs and lows.
Something that you admire about me but don't say very often.
No, I say जो भी I admire on your face only.
But
I like your that adamant nature about your future and that kind of thing. I like it. I like दूरदर्शी होना. That nature of yours, your beauty.
and last one, if you could have a superpower, which one would you want?
To lose weight whenever I want to.
And then gain back also.
Huh. And then lose also whenever I want to.
Okay. What is the one thing that you value the most in a relationship in general? Not a particular kind of relationship, but a relationship with another human.
Transparency.
If you could describe our bond in one word, what would it be?
Roller coaster. Many
Some-
highs and lows.
Something that you admire about me but don't say very often.
No, I say जो भी I admire on your face only.
But
I like your that adamant nature about your future and that kind of thing. I like it. I like दूरदर्शी होना. That nature of yours, your beauty.
and last one, if you could have a superpower, which one would you want?
To lose weight whenever I want to.
And then gain back also.
Huh. And then lose also whenever I want to.
Okay.
And yes, now time for the last part, the juicy question. और आप लोग यहाँ तक पहुँच गए हो, यानी आपने पूरा वीडियो देखा है और वेट किया है उस क्वेश्चन का. So the last question of ours है, who is your favorite parent and why?
You go first.
No, I have asked first.
It's given it's my mother because if it's parent then it's her.
Okay. So my favorite parent is also actually my mother. Why?
I'm not your mother.
Why? Why? You need to
Why?
answer why.
I said if it's parent then it's her.
Why?
Matlab, if someone would have to ask me parental, like, I just don't see her as a parent. That's the problem. So I cannot answer this question only parental point of view से या kid point of view से.
So मैं क्यों बोल रही हूँ मम्मी के बारे में, क्योंकि मैंने अपने Q&A में भी बताया, I have spent most of my life का time with her, so I can relate with her. I have seen her all ups, downs, struggle and everything, and how she has kept herself together to this day and still trying to cope up with everything. So as a woman, I have seen her growing and changing and still hustling, struggling, not perfect, but always trying to be better. So that's more important for me. कि perfect आप मत हो perfect, no problem, but at least you are trying to be and be nearer to that line, finish line, day by day. So yeah, that's why her. And अगर डिटेल में जानना है तो Q&A वीडियो देखो, उसमें है मम्मी के बारे में. So yeah, that's it for the video. I hope you liked it. आप यहाँ तक पहुँचे मतलब आपने पूरा वीडियो देखा है, और आप बताना आपका फेवरेट क्वेश्चन क्या था, आपका फेवरेट आंसर हमारा में से क्या था, आपने किससे रिलेट किया ज़्यादा, एंड व्हाट ऑल वाइब्स यू गॉट. थैंक यू और स्वस्थ रहो. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. बाय.